when you came in, you were like a real S shape through your lower back.
Yeah.
It was.
And it hasn't been touched for at least 8 years?
8 years.
Yeah, at least.
Wow.
So
I definitely need to get it back in alignment and get things functioning like they should be.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a drop adjustment first, where the table just drops away by a couple of centimetres. Get things moving.
Straightening out, but the alignment.
It's straightening up, yeah, it's straightened up nicely. It's actually compared to where it was Monday.
So the pain that I get on the left hand side, is that just some nerves in the wrong spot at the minute, or?
Yeah, what happens usually you get pain more on one side, and yours is on that left.
Yeah.
Often it's the muscles that are compensating.
Yeah.
So you've got in through here, you've got the piriformis muscle that's really tight. When that's locked up like yours is, it can affect the nerve round down the back of the leg.
Yeah.
It can cause almost like a pseudo sciatica down the leg.
So I slept well last night, so.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that was good. I mean,
sleep's improved.
I took the Mercadal Forte before bed, before bed, but I slept good the whole night. So.
Awesome.
The hip flexors, I'm not getting that pain like it was before. So.
Yeah.
All that stuff you've been doing is, I mean, as painful as it is, it's been good.
Yeah, brilliant. Now I'll have another look at the hip flexors in a second, because they were locked up.
They were very annoying.
Put the table down a little bit lower, that's it. And breathing in and breathing out. That's it. Good. And the other side for me.
This side cracks good, but the other one doesn't. So.
Usually find that one side will kind of adjust a bit more than the other. Breathing in and breathing out. Oh, that's good. Beautiful. That was a lot better.
That one went well.
Yeah, sitting up for me. That's the one. Arms across the front of your chest. That one under. And stay hunched forward, chin tucked in, breathing in and breathing out. Oh, good one.
That was a very good one.
How was that?
Good, yeah.
Arms across again for me. That one under. Breathing in, head back, breathing out. And drop. Excellent.
This is the one I've got to relax and breathe out in.
Yeah.
Especially for the neck.
That's funny, because usually when the chiropractor says relax, you tense up.
I always do.
I need a different word, don't I?
That's sore there now.
Yeah.
It wasn't before.
That is tight.
Oh, that's tensing me up big time.
Okay, just try to relax.
Alright.
Oh, I said relax.
Gotta relax. I've got to try. Let me just relax.
What we'll do is we'll get you just to bring your ear up. There we go. I'll tilt it over. There we go. Oh, that was good. You let go completely.
I was going to say, try to relax, eh?
Yeah.
Got to relax. I'm tensed again now, so.
No, you're good. Bring the head over. That's it, good. Excellent. Alright, let's check that hip flexor. So, just drop that leg down. There we go. Well, that's calmed down a lot in the last 2 days.
Oh my god, yeah, tell you what. Yeah.
Yeah. That was rock solid the other day.
So where does that come from? Just tension?
Yeah, the hip flexors are kind of like a muscle that stabilise and protect the lower back.
Yeah.
And so sometimes they just get overactive, hyperactive, and they tense up too much, and then it affects the lower back.
Yeah.
So we see it a lot. It's usually worse with like drivers, office workers, people that are sitting a lot.
Yeah.
So driving, sitting at the computer, students tighten up quite a bit through the hip flexors.
Yep. This is the painful one.
Yeah. There we go. That's it. Awesome. But it's
I was getting some pain in there.
yeah. That's it. Excellent. Alright, we're going to get you to bring, shuffle down a little bit. Down a little bit, that's it. Feet onto the footrest just there.
Yep.
Alright, we're going to do another adjustment through the lower back.
Yep.
The table drops away. This adjustment's really good for those lower backs, like when you came in, it was really sore. We adjust through the front, but actually adjust the pelvis and the lower back, and it takes the tension out of that lower spine, that L4-5. It's a great adjustment. Breathing in and breathing out. That's it. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Awesome. Okay. And sitting up for me. Excellent. Stand up over here for me. Let's just come forward a little bit. Alright, let's give it a bit of a test. So just show me how far you can flex. Excellent. Come back up. Any pain at all going down?
Just a little bit on the sort of the old sciatica, you know.
Yeah.
But it's more to do with the fact that it's here.
Yes.
So
just in the.
Yeah, and that's where the pain is getting when I'm driving as well.
Yeah.
It's just in
on the
there.
left side.
So.
Okay.
Your needles do magic in there. So.
Yeah. I'll get you any tummy for me first. So that's.
The contamination factor.
Yeah. So what we'll do is let's get this one here. So we'll work on.
So
we're going to go back through this muscle here first. What we're looking for is that little twitch. Nice little twitch there, that's good. And just through here, there we go. Excellent. Alright, we'll let them sit in there for a few minutes and wait for the muscle to soften up.
So will that just, Adam, will that just over a week sort of relax a bit, settle down, do you think?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, if it's come this far in 3 days,
yeah.
That'll just keep settling down.
So should I avoid sitting too long?
Yeah, avoid sitting too long for sure.
Yeah.
Try and make sure you keep moving regularly,
Yeah.
getting up and down. Yeah.
Can the golf commence again? That's my question.
The golf.
Friday or not? Still too early or? What do you think? Just let things settle.
There we go. Yeah, I think Friday should be okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we should be alright to play golf on Friday.
Late afternoon,
Yeah. Just where you are is good.
Yeah, just us like this.
Okay, we'll do the full leg pull here as well. There we go. I'll do this one too, just to open up the hips, open up the pelvis and the lower back with a nice traction adjustment through there. There we go. Excellent. All right.
Gotta get it all in there.
Yeah. Oh, good, Gino. Thanks.